Hi, it's Beth Pantazzi, the Assistive Tech OT, and I am here today to talk about Grammarly. Grammarly is an extension that I used while I was working on my master's program, and I didn't even think to recommend it for one of my students. And in a session with one of my students last week, she actually told me that she has been using this to help her. And for a student who has a medical diagnosis of dyslexia and identified issues with um, this type of area, I just thought it was wonderful. And um, I commended her mother for finding this tool and recommending that she use it. And it has really helped her to be more successful with producing written output using her computer. So, since I personally found it successful, and I also have heard that a middle school student has really been thriving with the use of it, I thought that I would review it. So, if you Google Grammarly, this is what will come up. And I already have it in my extensions up here. It's like a teal circle with an arrow that kind of looks like a G. Um, and so if you click on it, mine is going to go right to my account, but it will typically have the um, add to Chrome, and then you can go in creating an account. There is a premium option, but the free option does have grammar check and spell check. And the nice thing is it's really user friendly. So you can upload files, or if you are in a Google Doc, it can just kind of work. So um, in Chrome, I uploaded one of my final papers for my master's degree, and it was just about assistive technology. So, because I wanted to show you, I actually used Grammarly to help me edit the two papers that I had to write. So, what's really great is if you click on it, you'll see that it explains what the issue is. Um, and so, as you go through, it just kind of helps you to edit. And one of the things that I personally struggle with um, is conciseness, and I tend to add more words in. And so I really love how it has this option to help you be more concise in your writing. Um, so over here, it'll tell you your overall score. So how quality the writing is. Um, so I just I really, really like how it goes through, and actually in the master's program on Canvas, when accessing it through Google Chrome with the Grammarly extension turned on, it actually would come up with the highlight and the underlining here, even when I was responding to discussion posts, which was nice because I didn't usually plan out my discussion post ahead of time. I usually just kind of sat down and let the thoughts flow. And so it was really nice to have this editing to help make sure that I got my point across in a easily understood and professional and academic manner. Um, so I think that this is a great tool. Um, I might suggest for my student to um, maybe type out her response for whatever assignment first, and then perhaps use the Grammarly to edit it afterwards rather than as she's typing. But there's a middle school student who has been able to use it to produce a written response with over 80% accuracy. And I used it to write my graduate level final papers. And so I think that shows the range that this extension has to help a variety of people. And so I definitely recommend it. And even the free version, I have not paid anything for the version that I have. And even the free version is really quite helpful. So hopefully, this is something that might be able to help you or a student. And if you have any questions, you can email me at theassistivetechot@gmail.com or on Instagram at theassistivetechot. Thanks so much.